Friends, warm welcome to our YouTube channel Express Naukri. Army Organics Ltd and USFDA approved leading chemicals intermediates API manufacturing company is hiring for many positions for the Ankleshwar unit. So let's discuss it. 1. Designation: Officer, Executive, Manager. Department: Production. Number of vacancies: 40. 2. Designation: Officer, Executive, Manager. Department: Maintenance, Utility and Project. Number of vacancies: 5. 3rd. Designation: Executive, Manager. Department: Instrument and Electrical. Number of vacancies: 5. 4th. Designation: Officer, Executive, Manager. Department: EHS. Number of vacancies: 15. 5th. Designation: Officer, Executive, Manager. Department: ATP and MVR. Number of vacancies: 5. Friends, request you to subscribe the channel Express Naukri and hit the bell icon for latest job updates. 6th. Designation: Executive, Manager. Department: Warehouse. Number of vacancies: 5. 7th. Designation: Officer, Manager. Department: PD and TSD. Number of vacancies: 4. 8th. Designation: Officer, Executive, Manager. Department: Quality Control. Number of vacancies: 15. 9th. Designation: Officer, Executive, Manager. Department: Quality Assurance. Number of vacancies: 10. 10th. Designation: Assistant Manager, Deputy Manager. Department: PPIC. Number of vacancies: 4. Friends, request you to subscribe the channel Express Naukri and hit the bell icon for latest job updates. 11th. Designation: Executive, Department: Purchase. Number of vacancies: 4. 12th. Designation: Assistant Manager, Deputy Manager. Department: Dispatch, BSR. Number of vacancies: 4. 13th. Designation: Deputy Manager, Manager. Department: Human Resource. Number of vacancies: 4. 14th. Designation: Executive, Manager. Department: Information Technology. Number of vacancies: 4. 15th. Designation: Executive. Department: Government and Liaisoning. Number of vacancies: 4. Candidates having experience in the automation or DCS system in chemicals or intermediates or API or manufacturing industries shall be preferred. Send your latest resume if you are suitable. career@armyorganics.com. Or you may refer to the official website www.armyorganics.com. Thank you and all the best from Team Express Naukri.